This Master Lock 5-key safe stores up to 5 standard door keys, or there's a bigger version that can store 8 standard door keys. It's made from aluminium and has a 4-digit resettable combination lock, giving you 10,000 resettable combinations. Great for a rented property or a holiday home, spare house keys for the kids, or in an emergency for an elderly or infirm person, you name it. It's weather resistant, so you can put it anywhere, and it's easy to mount. The fixings are supplied. There you have it, all safe and secure. For more information and the latest price, visit Screwfix.com.